The next sub-tab under your section header is called Assets. Now, say I'm on a roof and I've just taken some pictures of my roof, and now I walk up to a piece of HVAC equipment and I want to add an asset. I go here to HVAC and I'm going to go and click on Assets. Now you'll see there's an empty screen. When I click Add here, what I'm doing is actually adding a line item to Asset Calc. So you can see I have an empty line item. All it says is New HVAC Asset. And I'm going to click on this orange arrow here to get a list of some of our assets. Now this is not your list from the Master Cost Library. This is a narrowed down list. You can see that the things with AA up here, this is a generic HVAC item. Maybe it's not in the list, you want to select that. However, we have pretty much all of our typical HVAC equipment in here, and it's ordered alphabetically. Down here at the end, you have a ZZ other HVAC item. These things that are in lowercase, those are things that should typically get grouped. So your VAVs will get grouped. Anything here capitalized are things that are in square footage. So your HVAC system ductwork is in square footage, whereas this item here, heat pump package, RTU, is just a single item. So I can show you, I click on heat pump package, it gives me a quantity of 1 and it says each. That's my quantity. Whereas maybe I pick HVAC system ductwork, it gives me a quantity of 9999, which is the default for FileMaker. And then it gives me a square footage here. So I do want a package RTU. So I have selected that. You'll notice I can click here and I could free edit that if I wanted to. However, by clicking here and selecting something, I immediately get a quantity, I get this, and there's some stuff going on in the background that's going to make my life easier later. So do not just click here and type in RTU. Use this and select something from this list. The next thing I would need to do is I would take an overview photo right here. I'd just click on photo, it would take me to the camera. And then I would take a picture of the data plate and a picture of the tag if there was one. Now, photo and tag are immediately getting compressed to medium size resolution. Your data plate here, when you take a photo, it'll get compressed to a large size resolution so that you can clearly see that data plate later if you're trying to get make model. The other thing I would do is click location. This is on the roof. Now I've successfully added an asset, and this asset I can push to Asset Calc later. However, I might want to add more information in there. And to do that, I would click right here on my asset detail card.